Wow. Hey, everybody. Carter from Autorama Auto Sales in Dickinson, North Dakota. AutoramaAuto.com. I have a special one for you. This is a 1990 Chevy C3500 Silverado. That's a one-ton two-wheel drive with a 454. 60,371 miles. This truck is beautiful. It was spent its life in Oregon from brand new until 2019. Second owner was from uh, Wyoming. He didn't have it long. His plans changed. Just look at this truck. It is gorgeous. It appears to be original with the exception of maintenance items. No accidents. Runs great. Air's cold. Just a beautiful truck. It did have a camper on it. He said the original owner would use it for his camper topper thing, and then in the winter it'd go back inside the garage. We are going to sell this truck on eBay on November 22nd. We do not have a set price. We're going to see what it brings. This truck is gorgeous. If you remember, or if you know, in the 90s, the silver paint was terrible. Most of the trucks were repainted from factory. This appears to be original. See it at Autorama Auto Sales in Dickinson, North Dakota. AutoramaAuto.com. Bid on it on eBay if you want it. We're going to keep it stored inside until it sells. Drive in, fly in, drive it home. Man, this truck is awesome. Look at that. Still smells like the 90s. I mean, it just takes you back. We didn't touch this paint. We washed this truck. We had it inspected. We changed the spark plugs. They appeared to be original.